Okay, there you go. That is the sewage injector pump install. As I was last video, I showed you how the line is coming from underneath the house, goes into this injector lift station pump, all the sewage. It goes inside there, and there's a lever inside that'll raise up once the water starts filling up, and it turns the pump on. Once the pump kicks on, it grinds up all your fecal and solid waste and shoots it down the city on down there around the corner. The reason for installing this is the house drain is lower than the city drain. So that means that the house drain was trying to drain uphill. Well, the city is not going to come by and take up the whole line and drop it down for one house or two houses. They're going to say they're going to have to figure it out. And it can be different reasons of why this line is lower. The house foundation could, the house could have foundation problem. It pushed it down. The soil could have settled down and pushed the pipe down. Or it could be what's you're looking at now that's inside that ditch is clay pipe. It's pushed down, cracked, and go all different types of ways. So instead of replacing this whole sewer line and having the city do, we just install this injector. It pumps, and once it pumps all the sewage out, which takes about 2 or 3 minutes, then it turns off until it fills back up again. The drain line you see coming from the house is the inlet. The pipe you see coming on the top, the big one, not the small one, the big one, that's the outlet. And the small pipe you see on the top is the vent. It has to have ventilation inside of there. I have what we call a air emittance. That's when it lets air in, but it won't let gas out. So if you can't smell sewer, if I didn't do that, you will have sewage come on. You see the one that is open, that's my clean out. Yes, it's open. I will put a cap on that. I'm going to put in whatever type of cap I want, but I'm going to tighten it down because there's going to be some pressure going. As long as this line don't back up, this won't blow out. But if this line backs up, this line, that will blow out. So I'm going to put a threaded cap on it so it can't do it. And sometimes in certain situations, I install a swing check valve where water can't go back into the pump. But in this case, I'll be all right. But that is what you have, a sewage lift station installed. DAS Plumbing and Locating, Ellis County, Texas, serving DFW area.